Now, after 8 months of complete shutdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, Maharashtra has opened up religious places across the country. In fact, across of Maharashtra itself, all the religious shrines and temples and dargahs there have opened up. Religious shrines like the Siddhivinayak Temple, the Mumba Devi Temple, Mahim Dargah and Haji Ali have opened their doors for devotees. The famous Shirdi Sai Baba Temple has also opened up for devotees. Uddhav Thackeray government notifies the do's and don'ts for devotees to follow. Only asymptomatic people will be allowed to pray inside those worship places, and maintaining social distancing is mandatory. Use of face masks are mandatory. Remember, the decision comes weeks after a face wash. In fact, a fight that took place between the Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari and Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over the reopening up of temples. The governor had in fact questioned Uddhav's Hindutva for not reopening temples in the state earlier.
और QR कोड लेके जो SOP ये जो है गवर्नमेंट की वो गाइडलाइन सब जो है यो उसको मार्गदर्शक से जाके दर्शन लेना ये उचित बात है, लेकिन दर्शन मिल रहा है ये भी बहुत आनंदमय वातावरण में दर्शन मिल रहा है, वो भी अच्छी बात है।
पब्लिक को भी थोड़ा इसके बारे में भी केयर करना चाहिए बस, क्योंकि आज ही ओपन हुआ है तो थोड़ा बी केयरफुल।
काफ़ी अरसे के बाद में आज हाजी अली शाह बाबा की मज़ार शरीफ की ज़ियारत किया, बहुत अच्छा महसूस हुआ। हम मौजूदा सरकार के बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं कि उन्होंने आज आवाम के लिए इबादत गाहों को खोला, मस्जिदों को खोल दिया। मैं आवाम से भी गुजारिश करता हूं कि कानून का पालन करें और जिस तरह कोरोना हालात से हम लोग परेशान हैं उसका भी एहतियात रखें।
अभी 7-8 महीना हो गया, तभी से हम लोग इंतज़ार करें, खाली बाहर से ही दर्शन ले रहे, गणपति बप्पा का आते जाते जॉब करते तब, और आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
We are satisfied because the social distancing is maintained very nicely, and hand sanitizing is also done. We are very happy to have the darshan of Sai.
Now we have our reporters on ground there in Mumbai. Pankaj Kelkar joining us from Shirdi, Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from Babulnath Temple, Mumbai. Pankaj Kelkar, take us through the social distancing norms and COVID protocols that have been put in place. Are people adhering to it? What's the sentiment on ground? Are we seeing a rush?
Nabila, over here in Shirdi, people are coming, devotees are coming over here. There are set of rules that only 6,000 will be allowed, and all of the social distancing norms have to be carried out. Those who are coming here, they have to carry an identity, government identity card with them. Along with that, wearing mask is compulsory. There are n number of security personnel who keep on reminding the devotees that they have to wear the mask. But apart from that, inside the temple, only specific number of people are allowed at a single given time. There are 4 to 5 types of different aartis at different timings, and so around 80 people are allowed during the aarti time. But throughout the day, like every hour, only 900 devotees are allowed, and so the figure goes up to 6,000. That's what is being told by the CEO. So first day after 8 months, this pilgrimage has been reopened for the devotees. They are contented, they are happy, expressing that they could get a chance to see their Sai Baba, and that is the reason that happiness is there on their faces. Over here, the place still look deserted because on any given day, around 1 lakh or 1,25,000 devotees visit this place to worship Lord Sai Baba. But as of today, few thousands have only come over here.
Right. Let me cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from the Babulnath Temple. Pankaj, are we looking at similar situations there too? Is there a crowd, and are people adhering to the norms?
So Navila, I'm outside the Babulnath Temple in Mumbai, and it's heartening to see that people indeed are following the various guidelines that have been laid down by the state government. What you see on your screen is the famous Babulnath Temple of Mumbai, and right at the entrance we have a big poster which says no mask, no entry, and just beside it there are a set of guidelines that have been put forward by the state government, which have been okayed by the temple trust as well, and which have been clearly put up in a big chart, and people are expected to read this before they go ahead. And the chart mainly says no mask, no entry, Secondly, it says not to bring any offerings in the temple. People are not supposed to take in their vehicles inside. Not more than 5 people will be allowed to go inside at a particular time, and so on and so forth. I'll ask my camera person just to zoom in a little bit on the left hand side, and I'll try and show you that more and more number of people, as the evening approaches, more and more number of devotees are now coming up to this place. Of course, along with Siddhivinayak temple in Dadar and Mahalakshmi, Babulnath temple is yet another place of worship wherein people have immense faith. So this place is going to see a lot of attraction of the devotees as the evening approaches. Even at this point of time, even though it is very hot and humid in Mumbai, I can see many devotees here. But as I said, it's heartening to see that the people are indeed abiding by the various guidelines that have been laid down by the state government. And additionally, I would like to add here, it's not just the devotees who are happy here. All those people, especially the hawkers and the small-time business people who largely were dependent on the temple economy, are also very, very happy today, because Nabila, after March, now that the temples and other places of worship have reopened, their business is also seeing the light of the day, and they are very hopeful that as the day progresses, perhaps they will be able to get back to the routine and earn a decent livelihood. And also like to point out that there is massive presence of the Mumbai police here. Same is the case at every place of worship that we see. Police is deployed to see that people abide by the rules of social distancing. And lastly, it's a very good news that for the first time in Mumbai, ever since the lockdown, the count of active cases in Mumbai, Nabila, has come down below 10,000. So the Chief Minister has also requested that even though all these places of worship has been opened, people need to follow and abide by the guidelines.
More responsibility on the people there, considering everything's opened up. You take care. Precaution is better than to cry foul later. Thank you very much, Pankaj, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.